This is hands down the most advanced all-in-one indicator for analyzing trading patterns on the TradingView platform. It includes everything from tracking supply and demand to numerous confirmation indicators, moving averages, EMAs, and various smoothing filters. I can assure you, you've never come across anything quite like this before. In this detailed guide, I'll walk you through how to use this indicator. It's important to know that this indicator is versatile and can be used for trading in volatile markets like cryptocurrencies, stocks, futures, and forex pairs. The best time frames to use with this indicator are typically 5 minutes, 15 minutes, and the 1 hour. To set up this indicator on your trading chart, log into your TradingView account and open any market. For example, I'm currently looking at the BTC price chart on a 1-hour time frame. Open the Indicators menu and search for Custom Strategy Builder V1. Let's give a big thank you to the creator of this amazing script. This indicator, in its default settings, displays buy and sell signals on the chart along with supply and demand zones and market sessions. Having market sessions displayed on your chart is very helpful as it allows you to see when the market is most active. The coloring of candlesticks also plays a significant role in indicating market momentum and trend. Green candles show bullish momentum, red candles indicate bearish momentum, and gray bars appear during market consolidation. Before using this indicator, it's recommended to adjust your chart settings to hide candle bodies and wicks to make candlestick colors easier to read. With more than 40 indicators available, you can customize the accuracy of buy and sell signals by selecting your preferred combination. This eliminates the need to manually confirm signals from multiple indicators, making the process much simpler and faster. You can also set up alerts to notify you of buy or sell signals, allowing you to spend less time staring at the screen and more time on other activities. Depending on the market you're trading, you can choose different indicator combinations. For cryptocurrency markets, using ADX as a main confirmation indicator often works well for long trades. The indicator is regularly updated by the creator to maintain accuracy and can be used on any time frame, from intraday to long-term trading. To customize the secondary confirmation indicator, simply enable any indicator you see in the Inputs window. With this indicator, you can create hundreds of different trading setups in seconds by choosing your preferred first and secondary confirmation indicators. It simplifies the trading process and provides clear buy and sell signals based on your chosen indicators. Remember to always consider price action and supply and demand levels for final trade confirmation, and backtest any trading strategy before using it with real money. Thank you for watching, and feel free to share any interesting ideas or indicators in the comments. Happy trading!